Ya wudu la so Rodrigo la tashi dele kiran depo imbe.
Depois em pé,
Oh,
Grande poema.
depo yin.
depois em,
That's it. Konsure, konsure.
com, com Ari, in, no, com Biden, rei,
That's it. Kong Biden re. That's it.
com Biden, rei.
Biden kane re.
Biden, Ari Lale. Ay,
Bi,
sorry, sorry.
Oh,
uh,
Biden kane re.
Biden Ari la rei.
La mare ne kane.
Ari ne rei.
Oh, oh,
Biden Ari ne rei.
that's it. Kiran kane yin.
Um, Biden
Biden
Ari
mare. Kiran kane
kira
yin.
ne Denmark rei. Jure.
Denmark ne yin. Denmark ne yin.
Yin.
Denmark ne yin. Huh? Like this. No problem. Very good try. Okay? Tujiche, Rodrigo la. We can do this. No problem. Lasso. Ya, tatine. Sonia la hinda. Sonia la. Sonia la midi sure.
Midi Joe Biden re.
Joe Biden North Korea ne repe.
Joe Biden North Korea ne mare.
Kane re.
Ari ne re.
Joe Biden tata kapar yore.
Joe Biden tata Ari ne re. Nare.
Ari la yore.
Sorry, la re. Yeah.
La yore. Not re.
La,
Yore.
la re.
Kapar yore. Ari la yore. Kane re. Ari ne re. Hagosuma, when you say ne re, it's identifying. La yore is you are saying where it is. Hagosuma,
Yeah.
two different
Yeah.
sentences. 야골랍송 투지치. 아니 소니아라 계란기 족무 민 가르레.
Nge trok me ming Susanne re.
알레
Re.
수,
Re, sorry.
수잔나 레. That's it.
Re.
공 타타 카파르 요레.
Kong tata Germany la yure.
That's it. 공 타타 Germany 라 요레. 알레 라스. 공 유크레인 내레페.
Mare kong Ukraine la yumare.
말말에. 공 유크레인 내레페.
Ne. Kong Ukraine ne mare.
That's it. 공 유크레인 내 말에. 공 가네레.
Kong Germany nere.
That's it. Younger in the with confidence. 공 가네.
Kong Germany nere.
That's it. Germany nere. 알레. 계란 가네인. 소니아라 계란 가네인.
Nga Germany nere yin.
알레. Germany라 약 유럽에.
Mare Germany la yak yak yumare.
That's it. 양결 숭다. Germany라 약 유럽에.
Germany la yak yumare.
That's it. 계란라 카파르 유페. 계란라 카파르 유페.
Ngala kappa ngala kapayu.
That's it. With confidence in the younger. Kerangla kapar yupe.
Ngala kapayu.
That's it. Kerangla private jet yupe.
Ngala private jet yumare.
That's it. Or may, madengbu meta may. Agosunga. Okay. Keranki chokmola ki yurepe. Whoa, ki. Hmm?
Truck po ki truck mo.
Either one. Hmm?
Nge truck po
La.
la ki
Uh-huh.
yumare.
That's it. Younger in the. Keranki chokmola ki yurepe.
Nge truck po la ki yumare.
That's it. Hmm? Yakulapson. Tujiche Sonyala. Very good. Pay Yakulapson. Hmm? That's it. Yakulapson. Tatine. Yeah. Makla in the makla. Makla. Makla
Tashidele again.
tatidele. Ola so.
Tashidele.
Ini makla midi Donald Trump repe.
Di karere me.
Me. Person re. Human re.
Sorry.
Midi Donald Trump
Ah.
repe.
Mare. Me di Donald Trump mare.
Midi sure.
Me di Joe Biden re.
Oh, pe ako. Joe Biden gyakar ne repe. Gyakar. India. Joe Biden gyakar ne repe.
Mare. Joe Biden gyakir ne mare.
Kane re.
Joe Biden ari ne re. Ari ne re.
That's it. Yako lapson. Oh, tata Joe Biden kapar yore. Tata Joe Biden kapar yore.
Kapar.
Kapar.
I
Where?
forget kapar. Okay, sorry. Where?
Kapar
Kapar.
duk. Gangla duk. Wokla duk. Shilokla duk. Nangla duk. Kapar yore. North Korea la yore. New York la yore. Oh. Bangkok la yore. Japan la yore. Anything. Hakosme. Hello. Makla. Hello. Okay, como maçom, sorry. Net yapo menduk. Hola, so.
How do you say no? How do you say no problem?
Keyo mare. Hmm? Okay. Tade kapar hakosme.
Did you remember the recording? Do you
Yes,
have to start the recording?
It's still recording. Yes. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Daniela. That's it. Oh,
Kapar hakosong.
ni Tata Joe Biden kapar yore.
Tata Joe Biden, New Hampshire, New Hampshire la yure.
That's it. Younger swan with confidence in the. Oh, Tata Joe Biden kapar yore.
Tata Joe Biden, New Hampshire la yure.
That's it. Joe Biden la private jet yore pe.
Re. Joe Biden la private jet yure.
Okay. Laso. And makla. Tata kiran kapar yore.
Hakosong.
하코마송.
Hakamosong, sorry.
타타 케랑 카파르유. 타타가 노르볼링카라 유. 타타 케랑 카파르유.
Uh, Tata Ngala, New York City, Yure.
Oh, so New York City is the location. So last should come after the New York City, Baba. How goes on? You know this.
I know this.
Hmm?
Okay, so Tata na New York la,
That's it. How goes on? Tatanga New York la you. Tatanga New York City la you. Anything. Yabu love song. Tujiche Magla. Thank you. Lasso.
Chiche.
Yeah, that dine. Epolina la inda. Epolina la. Epolina la. Tashida Lake.
시들레겠나?
Tashida Lake. Kirang Kanein.
nga dharamsalanin.
야구도 아니 다타케랑 가파르유
Oh, sorry. Dhata nga dharamsala la yu.
배야고 케랑키 족물밍 가르레
Trugmumin. Nge nge trugmumin supavati in.
or 레 아고송아
Re.
both okay
Re.
이따디기레 okay 네 족물 그다 족모 말을 족물밍 아고송아
Trugmumin. Yeah, trugmumin
족만하르모
supavati.
아키쿠이 델다 델다
Okay.
that's it name of 족모 르바 아고송아
Yeah.
알레, 아니, 타타 수파바티 카파르 요레.
Supav Dhata Supavati Dharamsala la Yure.
That's it. 다람살라라 요레. 빼요. 올라슬라소. 아니, 다람살라라 약 요레 빼.
La Mare, La Yo Mare. Dharamsala la Yag Yo Mare.
약 요. that's it. 다람살라라 파축 망보 요레 빼.
Achuk.
오, 오.
Yes, Bachuk. Yes. Dharamsala la Bachuk Tak Yure.
딱딱.
Not too many.
알레, 딱딱 라비 말해. 파축 똑삼 요레. 디야고도.
Bachuk Tukcham.
요레. or 파축 카시 요레. 아고송아.
Bachuk
바축 카시에 요래, 바축 떡삼 요래.
Kashi. Okay.
What
Okay.
is the meaning of talk?
떡삼, little bit, 카시에 some. 하고송아, okay? No problem. We're gonna learn this. 하고송아, that's it. Hola, so Epolina la tuk지체, 야구송송. That's it. 야, 따디네, 따라라인.
You?
Okay, sorry. Little bit net problem.
A little bit. Kashi has some few.
Very. Kashi labna some hago soma. Talk some labna little bit trouble. Lasso. Epolina la tujiche.
Puje Chegenla.
라슬라트로. 데네 소냐 딕소 니콜레라 인다.
ладно.
라시델레. 아니
Рашид
니콜라 가자 조 바이든 소귤라 유럽에.
Джо Байден Сагюла Йомаре. Джо Байден Арила Йоре.
빼요. 조 바이든 당 김종운 족보레베.
Йомаре. Джон Байден Ки Джон Кун Ги Дрог Маре.
야 몰랐어. 라슬라스. 아니 계란키 족보 다다 가바르요레. 니콜레라.
Не Дрог по Дата Балюла Йоре.
알레. 계란키 룽팔라 페파 유럽에.
Керанги Лумпала Бепа Йорепе.
계란키 룽팔라 페파 유럽에.
Well, I didn't understand exactly. Is his country Tibetanese?
말해.
Is
계란키 룽파. Yours
Керанги-
country. 봐봐. 라.
Neka.
어?
Ласо.
됐어. 계란키 룽파.
Ne Lungpa Biomare.
예 룽파 라. 인.
Ne Lung.
뭐라. 양결송탕.
Jensen,
Ne-
the recording is still running, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why you use Biopa, not Bio?
배 랍나 티베트레. 배파 랍나 티베텐. 아고송아.
It's like Lungpa Biopa is the same like Tibet. Chikpa
Yeah.
Chikprepe.
말해.
Bio Chikpa Lungpa Biopa.
말해. 룽파 랍나 country 레. 아고송아. or village 레. 배파 랍나 티베텐 레. 아고송아.
Ali Hagasont. Ne Lungpa La Biopa Yomare.
That's like. 아고송아.
Jensen, sorry to disturb. I don't understand this sentence. It means what? It means what? That you belong to which country or something like that, or you belong to Tibet?
말해.
Mare, okay. So
계란-
Hakomasong.
계란키 족보 랍나 카레레. You understand this, right?
Yes.
Now same, instead of 족보, I said country. 계란키 룽파.
Country, okay, yeah.
That's it.
And then says Tibet, Pyopa.
Tibet
Yurepe.
Tibetan re.
Mm.
Tibetan.
So the sentence means what? That you belong to Tibet. Which country you belong to, or Tibetan?
Mare.
Mare, okay.
계란키 족보.
Mm-hmm. Friend, yeah. Mm.
계란키 족보. Okay, let's see. 계란키 족보 아리와 American.
Yeah,
응?
okay.
계란키 족보 아리와 레페.
Okay. So this means that are you a Tibetan?
Mare.
Mare, okay.
It's like your country, Tibetan country. Tibetan's country. It's like adjective. We use Tibetan country instead of Bio, instead of Tibet.
Mare.
So in the short sentence means, are you a Tibetan? Is it?
Mare.
Mare, okay.
Are there Tibetans in your country,
That's it.
in your village? Yes. Are there
Okay. Are there Tibetans in your country? Okay. I got it now.
Let's say, okay, let's say
Okay.
Lungpa La. Instead of
Lumpa, okay, it's a village or
Okay.
country, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bangkok,
Okay. Are there Tibetans in Bangkok? Okay.
Bangkok La Pepa Yurepe. That's it.
Okay. I got it now. Tukjushe. Thank you.
Now instead of Bangkok, I said Lungpa country. Now I identify country as your country. Then how would I say? Kerang ki lungpa. That's it. Kerang ki chokpo. Kerang ki lungpa. That's it. Ako sunga. Kerang ki lungpa la.
Uh-huh.
Pepa
Yupa,
yurepe.
Yurepe. Okay, I got it now. Okay, thank you.
Ako sunga. That's it. Oh, kerang ki
Yushe.
la. Yeah, Nicole la inda. Kerang ki chokpo la. Private jet yurepe.
Yomare, ne, drogpova, private jet, Yomare.
That's it. Kerang ki lungpa la. Pepa yurepe.
Ne lunpala, biopa kashere.
Uh-huh. Kashi yure. Finish the sentence.
Kashere.
That's it.
Kashere.
Nge lungpa la pepa kashi yure. That's it. Yabulab song. Thank you. Tujichi.
Kudiche.
Oh yeah. Yeah, tani yen hong la inda. Yen hong la tashi dele kiranki amala depo repe.
다시 들래 니 아마라 데보인 데보레 데보레
Depo re, depo yin nika digire. Agosuma. Tata kong kapar yure.
다다 콩 캄베낭라 예레
Yabulab song. Kong tang. Donald Trump chopo repe.
마레 콩당 도널드 트럼프 초보 마레
That's it. Yabulab song. 근데 tata kerang kapar yure.
다다 니 타이난 라 예레
Nge mare tata nga. Thailand la yu. Or Thailand la yure. Yankar song tang. Tata kerang kapar yure.
다다가 타이난 라예
That's it. Thailand la yu. That's it. Thailand la pepa yu repe.
예 마레 타이난 라 회바 예 마레
Kerang la tep yu pe.
ngala tep ma boye
That's it. Yagula. Ani kerang ki chokpo ari wa repe.
마레 녜 초보 아리와 마레 녜 초보 타이완와 에제
That's it. Yagula. All has. Tujiche.
그지치
Yagula.
그지치
That's so. Tene yana west la inda. Yana la inda. Yana la tashi dele. Ani
저시대래
kapar yu.
nga New York la yu.
Ale. Joe Biden yang New York la yu repe.
New York la Yomare.
Kapar yu re.
Akomason.
Ale. Kerang
Arila. Arila. Ani.
akosom.
Akomason.
Laso. Kerang la pe.
Yeah?
Kerang la tep yu pe.
Ala tap you.
Oh,
Tap mom.
yabudu. Ani tiring sapo duke.
Sabominto.
사포 두개 하고 송한 아주 상마. We learn this. 사포 두 hot. 그거 하고 송한.
Minto.
근데 뉴욕 라 사포 두개.
Sabominto.
Like this. 그랑키 조금 타다 가파르 요리.
Yeah, chokpo. How do I say? Kasakara. How do you say? Yeah. All around. How do you say? Kasakara.
가사 칼라 요리. That's it.
Kasakara, you ready? Huh?
네 조금 가사 칼라 요리. That's it. 아니 그랑키 조금 약수 가파르 요리.
점을 약시. 단당. 고마소. 단당. 점을 망보 뉴욕 라요.
알레 뉴욕
라요.
라스라스 하고서 데네 잭슨 하이드라 페파 망보 예레베
퍼브 망보유.
아
잭슨 하이츠 라 퍼브 망보유.
라스라스 아니 잭슨 하이드라 스타벅스 예레베
고마소.
알레 라스라스
래.
알레 예레 라스라스 됐어 키랑라 부구 예베
예, 예, 부구 찍래요.
나라 양결송탕
나라 부구 찍장. 야, 부구 찍래요. 부구
부
찍요.
부구 치기 야부도 다다콩 카파르 예레
콩탄다 뉴욕 라요.
알레
예, 뉴욕 요래.
하고서 콩 베겐 레페
개개 말해. 콩 개개 말해.
콩 가레레 엠치레 게겐레 가레레 록투레 가레레
콩. I don't know how to answer that. Just answer anything. 콩 럽투래. ngato 냠도 로 퍼게디. 디 키랑키 럽체 ngato 남 냠도 로 바이.
알레 종키유 냠투 종키유 루바 라수 디기도 very good 야
로 바이. We read it.
sorry
We read it together. 로 바이.
알레
로.
로파인 종파인 라수 라수 투지체 야나라 투지체 라수 다 되네야 뉴르말라인다 뉴르말라 뉴르말라 다시데레 케랑키 룽발라 페파 예레베
Nge lumpala papa yomare.
케랑키 룽발라 아리와 예레베
Arriva karere.
아리와 아메리칸 레
Arriva yore.
니 룽발라 아리와 예레 양결송아
Arriva yore. Nge lumpala arriva yore.
That's it. 라수 아니 뉴르말라 케랑라
La.
모타 예베 모타
Nge nga mota yomare.
나라 don't forget
Nyala mota yomare.
데니 케랑라 박박 예베
Yomare.
나라 연결순간
Nyala kare.
박박
Pakpak yomare.
나래 데니 케랑라 카파르 예베
Nyala kapayu.
카파르 가츠유
Kapa chikyu.
That's it. 가츠 하고송아 how many 케랑라 카파르 예베 or 케랑라 카파르 가츠유 나라 카파르 직유 or 나라 카파르 니유 like this 하고송아 빼하고
Hakotonga.
우지체 뉴르말라 빼하고 죄송 라서
Kuchishela.
엔클레르라인다 엔클레르라
Tashiderek.
다시 델렉 엔클레르라 케랑 보고 임베
Tipoyin, tudice.
라서 엔클레르라 케랑키 족물 밍 가레레
Nie trokmoming Dianare.
족물 밍
Trokmoming.
with the delta 하고송아
Yeah.
with the
Hagosan.
connection
Yeah, Hagosan.
할래
Trokmere.
양자리다. 계란기 족무밍 가리래.
Nie truk me ming Diana re.
자야나 가네래.
Diana England la nere.
잉글랜드 네.
England nere. Okay.
자야나 다다 가파르 요리. 자야나 다다 가파르 요리.
Tata Diana England yere.
잉글랜드 라.
England la yere.
That's it.
England la.
We know that you have to put la when you are showing location, direction.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
No
Yeah.
problem. No problem.
Mm.
Ale, 야골라송. 아니 걔랑 다다 가파르유.
Okay. Can you repeat?
걔랑 다다 가파르유. or 다다 걔랑 가파르유.
Nya kapar nya kangpa kangpala ye.
나 강파
tada ye.
나 강파라 you said this. 하고서나 you can add 다다 now. 누가?
Yeah.
다다 나 강파라 you. or you know inside. 강페 낭라 you can say this. 하고서나 we learned that 낭라 치lok라 옥라 강라
Yeah.
아르라
Yeah.
다다나 강페 낭라 you just like
So,
okay
do I have to say tada at the beginning of the sentence?
no
Or,
you
no.
say 강페 낭라 you it's okay 다다 is specific no right now
Can I? Yeah.
inside house that's it.
Okay. Can I say kangpa nangla ye tada?
Kind of, yes.
Okay.
Okay, when speaking. But when writing, do it like this one. You can say tata nga or nga tata. That's okay. Tata nga or nga tata kangpe nangla yu. Okay?
Yes. Yeah.
That's it, that's it. 야골랍송. 도지체 and 크레라. 도지체.
Tudichi.
That's it. 근데 왕몰라인다. 왕몰라 걔랑 North Korea 내 임페.
Nga North Korean ne mare.
Ale, 걔랑 가네인.
Nga Hong Kong ne in.
Ale, las. 아니, 홍콩라 배빠 망보 예르베.
Hong Kong la pepa mangbo yere.
Ale, 가파르 예르.
Hong Kong la yere.
홍콩라 예르. 벌써. 홍콩 가파르 예르.
Kianak la yere.
갸나라 예르. 오케이. 페나 아리라 배빠 망보 예르. 아리 가파르 예르. 뉴욕라 배빠 망보 예르. or Jackson Heights la 배빠 망보 예르. Just like that. 하고송아?
그래서.
Like this. Okay. 아니, 계란기 롱발라 약 열배.
Nghe long ba la yak yue mare.
알래. 어축 열배.
Hakshuk yue mare.
알래. 아니, 계란라 굴 열배. 굴. 하고송아, we learned that. 굴. tent. 봐봐.
Nga la ku yue.
계란라 굴 가져요.
Nga la ku jik ba yue.
굴 찍 유. 찍바 말해. 찍.
Ku jik yue. Nga là khu chik ye.
That's it. Chikpa labna same rwa. Ako sunge.
Hako sa.
Nga la khur chik ye. That's it. Yako duk. Oh, tuji che wangmola, tuji che.
Tuji che.
Tene tarala inda, tarala.
La, again la.
tarala, tata kapar ye.
Tata, Tata, Bangkok, La, Kangpa, you.
Bangkok la ye. That's good enough.
Yeah, okay. Bangkok, La, you.
That's it. Or you can say,
When I want to say I'm in the house in Bangkok, then I use twice la.
no. You can just use after the end of location. Bangkok ki kangpe nang la ye. Bangkok's inside the house of Bangkok. Ruba. Agosme. Just like that. If you are in your friend's house, tata nga chokpe kangpa la ye or chokpe nang la ye. Nang la, sometimes it's inside, sometimes it's home. Agosme. Home. Like
Yeah.
okay. That's it. 라소 아니 다랄라 뱅콕라 랑첸 여르베 랑첸
Bangkok, La, Lang Cheng, Mang Po you.
망포 유 빼고 망포 유레 다인다 디 카레레 다랄라
Di Karere. Kare.
디 카레
Kare is what? Okay. Di, Di Bangkok, Re.
디 뱅콕 마레 디 카레레 디
Kare is what? House, right?
카레 마레 디 카레레 what is this we know this
He's pointing
Where?
to something in his
Where? What is? Oh, I didn't see the hand. No, so where is it? Sorry, I didn't see your hand. Di Karere. Please show again.
디 카레레 디 카레레
The mobile Re.
that's it mobile re or kapar re
Kapare, yeah. Di Kapare, yeah.
pa ra par
Yes, the Kapar. I know Kapar is mobile.
okay. 하고승아,
I didn't see anything in the D Karere. Okay, sorry, I didn't see your hand.
no problem. Okay, now this is little bit, yeah. Taralainda, kapardi,
Kapari.
kaparduk, kaparduk.
Okay. Kapardi on Kapardi Gangladu.
Oh, Gangla, very good. Now you can say what Gangla, Kari Gangla.
Kapardi Gola Gangladu.
Goki Gangladu.
Goki Gangladu. Okay, yes. On
That's it. Kapardi Goki Gangladu.
Gangladu. Yes.
That's it. Okay.
Yes.
That's it. We didn't say yure at this time because right now direct experience.
Yes. It's in your hand. Yes.
Gangla du, okla du.
Yes.
General
Okladu.
knowledge, you say Gangla yure, okla yure, New York la yure.
Yes. Yes.
Abosuma.
Yes. Hakoso.
That's it. Tujiche. Thank you very much.
Tujuche.
That's it. Okay, pay a song. Now, if you have any question about yin, re, duk, or ye, re, duk, you can ask me now. What is not clear? Agosuma? Any question? Any question about this?
So
Doubt?
reduk is identification, but like direct perception.
That's it.
And then duk is existence, but direct perception.
That's it. That's it.
Can I ask the same question using two different words? For example, chalak sure yana, chalak sula yore. Is it the same?
Same mare. Mare. Chikpa mare. Chalak di
But
sure. Chalak di sure. Identification.
who's seen this? But chalak di sula yore, to whom the sin belongs?
Who has this? Who has this? That's it.
So in Tibetan, there's two different phrases. Chalak di sure and chalak di sula yore. They're different?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you explain the difference?
Yes, please. No problem. You can see here, su or sula. Su is relation. It shows
Whose.
relation.
It's like whose.
That's it. Whose. With the
Whose sin it is? Whose sin it is? Yes? Whose sin it is? Like chalak di sure. Whose sin it is?
This is. Whose phone is this?
Yes.
Kapar di sure. Kapar di ngere. That's it. Now it's like this. I have a phone or this is my phone. That's the difference between these two.
Oh, for me, they're like the same. Kalak di nere, kalak di nala yore.
Okay, so when you say ngere, it shows that it is yours. But
Yes.
malayu, it doesn't have to be yours. It's someone else things, but it is with you.
Okay.
You see? Now la is direction. It shows direction. When you say sula, who has it? Now if you say Thebdi Sula Yure is this particular book. Thebdi Sula Yure. If it is with you, Thebdi Nikolela Yure. But in
So
English,
the first phrase, I am the owner, and the second phrase, I just can keep it. Yes, I just have it, but I'm not an owner.
no. Second is not talking about ownership. Second is talking about where it is.
Okay, and first ownership.
Ownership.
First ownership and second location.
That's
so like a kalak nere means I'm owner of this kalak. But kalak di nala yore, it means I just keep it now.
Yes, you have this food. So in English, it gives you a sense of ownership, but I'm telling you here, none of this is ownership actually. You know what is this? The karere, the delta ray. It's a connection particle. It simply means part of you. It's connected with you. Okay? When you say kapar di ray, it simply shows connection, relation. That's it. Okay?
Ali Hagasong to the chair.
When you say sula, that's it. In English, they say who has. Sula Teviore, who has the book. That's it. Agosuma.
Hagasong to the chair.
That's the difference. Agosuma. Okay? That's it. Any more question?
So another way of saying is it's like if I said, I have books in my house, compared to there are books in my house.
Yes, so what?
No. Yes or no?
I have books in my house. Nge kangpe nang lai, tap yuris.
Mhm.
Then second one,
Second one, there are books in my house.
강배 낭라 대비열에.
So that's the difference, right? There are books in my house, but they might be my friend's books, not my books.
No, you can use both. Don't think like this. Okay, sorry. I think I'm confusing you more. Okay. When you say yin, re, redu, it's just identification. And the question will be sui re here. Sui re, whose books is this?
Mhm.
Simply, they translate it as my book, his book, hers book, ours book, theirs book.
Yeah.
Konki teb, nge teb, natsu teb, kongsu teb. That's it.
Mm.
Here in English, there are two types. You say, I have book, or the book is in house. Two types, right? But in Tibetan, I have book or book is in house. Both are location. When you say I have book, you are the location. That's why you say ngala tep you. In English, it's simply translate as I have book. It gives you sense of something else. But in Tibetan, because la shows location.
Yeah.
Right now, you are the location. The book is with you.
I am a place where books exist.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay? But in English, they say, I have a book. I have book. Like this. Okay? Yes, please. Any question? There. Ngala tep you.
Yes, Kenla.
Yes. Pela tep you or yure. See? Instead of nga, I wrote pe. Pela tep yure. There is book in Tibet. There are book in Tibet. That's it. Yes, please. Tungtang.
Kenla, I have a question.
Yes.
Sometimes we come across pay and sometimes we come across gate. Like, is there any reason why it changes when we ask a question? Like sometimes we ask with a pay, like you repay, sometimes with gate.
Sometimes with the pay and sometimes with the K. You mean?
Yes. Why?
Okay. So both are same. But when the sentence ends in ka, if the question is ending in ka, mostly they use K. Okay? Epolinala.
Okay. Yes, last.
Then generally they use pay, repay, yin pay, like this. You pay, like this. When the question is ending in ka, duke, right? Okay? That's the only difference.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Has it also got to do with the tense, the Husum, like Maunpa, Tatawa, Hipa?
Not yet. No. I will say
no.
Okay. In English, there may be tense
Which is
and with R. But we do not learn like that unless there is active verb in it. Then we use tense. Okay? That's it.
okay.
Any more question about
But
different
also can the question particle basa be also possible in addition to these two? P, G, and B?
Yes.
Yes, this is also possible, yes.
Mostly Hasa accent, they use way like this. Hasa.
But you don't use basa, yes, you use only basa and gasa. You don't use the third one.
Yes, mostly I don't use that. The third one is amdo also. Amdo and hasa, like agosma. That's it. But same meaning.
So we can limit ourselves, but the first two, like pasa and gasa. That's it. That's enough. Yes.
Yes, that's enough.
In one of the homeworks, you use the word de, kirang de poyinpe. What does that mean?
Depo.
De, yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
That's
de,
it.
and
Okay.
Depo.
Depo is like when you are not, when there is, okay, it's different, okay? So depo, happy, they generally translate as, are you happy? Are you
Sorry,
happy?
I understand.
Okay.
I'm Depo. Yeah. Sorry, I thought it was two words. Okay. Thank you.
If you want a detail, I would say they is different from kipo, happy. When you are happy, when you are sad, both are tight. It's not relaxed. When you are so happy, you're excited, anxiety. When you are sad, also anxiety. Both are not relaxed, but they is some like a relax also.
Okay.
Okay. That's like.
Yeah, thank you. No, I understand. Sorry, I misread it. Yeah.
No problem. That's then Shimba you pay, Tiwa you pay.
A little bit like peaceful, like shida.
That's it. Culture chikpare, shaki kushi, hadarim bude. That's it. Nagulafam. Okay. That's it. How goes on? Any more question between these two?
I just have a question. Before the su and sula, I try to form the whole sentence. And is this then tep di sure is correct? Is this whose book?
Yes.
And the second tep di sula jure.
That's
okay.
it. Then suppose if it's something specific book, then you want to know who has this book. Then you tap the sula yure. That's it.
And then sula re, I don't need the pair then for the question.
No, because the question word is already there. Sula. That's the question.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Then you don't need pay, k, way again.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
That's it. Then Reduk is identification, also identification with direct experience. Not general knowledge. For example, I thought it's Mark from the back. Then I touch his shoulder and it's not Mark, it's Yen Hung. Then I would say, oh, Yen Hung Reduk. Like this. At that time you use Reduk. Yen Hung Reduk. Right? Or you see a snake from far away. Then you went near. It's a rope. Oh, the rope Reduk or Takpa Reduk. Anything. At that time you use Reduk. You are still identifying it. Okay? Now, Duk, you saying where it is. Oh, Kangla Duk, Okla Duk, Nangla Duk, Chilokla Duk, Harla Duk. Har, Hakosuma, same as Partho, Harla Duk. Like this. Hakosuma. Okay?
Thank you.
That's it. Very good. Yagulavsum. Okay. Then today I will introduce you some verbs. Okay, we can write it down. Let's start. Okay. That's it. 칼락사, 칼락하고송아, 피자, 모모, 박렙, 말, 추라, 칼락레. 하고송아, 칼락사, 피자사, 모모사, 파스타사, 삼바사. 하고송아, 칼락사. 되네? 추퉁, 추퉁. 하고송아, 추퉁, 꼭퉁, 커피퉁. 추퉁. 하고송아, 야. 되네? 레까치, 레까치. work, 치. 하고송아, 레까치. That's
Pencil la, what is lekha che?
is work.
Work.
Yes, yes.
Like what?
Any work. 레까치.
And then Chutung is then drinking water, or
Very. 추퉁.
Water drinking. Yeah.
That's it. 퉁.
and the other was food eating.
Very. 칼락사. 추퉁. 피자사. 먹먹사. 추퉁.
Like
참.
kana kane in Nepali.
Very. 칼락. Mouth hand. 사. 카. 락바. 그리고
So kalaksa means eating, huh?
very.
Kalaksa eating. Okay. And chutung is drinking.
Vessel. Drinking vessel. Water.
Drinking vessel. Drinking vessel. Okay. So it's like a so if it is a coffee mug, what do we say?
Coffee
No,
tung.
but
Beer tung.
aren't these all
Coffee.
Wine
thought-
tung.
Hold on,
It-
Mark. Let me finish, okay? Shutung. So it's what? Coffee what? Coffee mug will be what? Coffee tung?
That's it.
Coffee tung.
Mm.
Okay. Drinking vessel. Okay. And then lekache is work.
That's
Okay.
it. That's it.
So for
Could you-
can you give an example of lekache?
Yeah, anything. If me leka cheki you, that's it. I am walking like this.
Okay. Ni lekache chi.
That's it.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Go ahead, Mark.
Sorry. So these aren't all verbs.
Yes. So I'm giving the verb attached with the noun. Kalaksa. Eat food. Or you can say pizza sa. Or you can say mokmok sa.
But sa means to eat.
Very.
Okay.
Hmm?
And
Chutung.
chutung. means water vessel.
Water.
Water.
Tum.
Drinking, to drink water. Drink water.
That's it. Aram. Shutum. Magla. Wine tum. Beer tum. Shutum. Like this. How goes one? Okay?
And work like your job, not walk.
Mare mare.
Work.
Work. That's it. You're right. My accent is not good. WORK. Walk. That's it.
Speaking of accent, can you say the difference between where and mobile phone?
Very easy. That's
Kapar and kapar.
kapar. When you say ka, it's a ka category, right? When you say ka, it's a ha category. That's it. Kapar, 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 kapar. That's it. Just think that three root sound. It will be very easy for you. Agosuma. That's it.
Okay.
When you say ha, it's ha category. We can see this.
Kapar.
That's it. Remember, ka, kapar. That's it.
Kapar. Okay.
Can I?
Yes, please.
Maybe helpful. I don't know, and maybe you don't teach like this, so I don't know. But ka is high tone and ka is low tone also.
Really. Dirba. Ah. That's it. It's awesome. High tone, less aspiration. Very strong aspiration. Slow aspiration. Lower. Like this. Ni kapar. Kapar. Like this. Okay? Akaramre.
Sorry, Tenzin Lal. Sometimes though in the Arapatsana side, it looks like there's 4 root sounds. You have the 2 bottom ones also.
Yes. That's because when there is a prefix, the sound change to somewhat bolder, more bass. From ka
but still,
to ga, from tha to da, like this. That's the only reason. Okay?
But still, you recommend just thinking more like 3.
Yes, that's 3. Okay?
Okay.
That's better. Right now, we should start with 3. Then, when we go deeper into grammar, then we can differentiate from male, female, and money. And under female, we have some categories. So that's later. Right now, for pronunciation, these 3 are the root sound. Okay? That's it. Then we know the sound changes when there is a prefix or letter on the top. Sound changes to 2 types. One higher, one more bass. Higher, ma, ma, na, like this. Bolder, ka, ga, pa, ba, tha, da, like this. For example, here, pa yata cha. Here, sa phata ba yata ja, cha, ja. That's it. We can see the sound changes. How goes on? That's it. Ta leka che. How goes on? Tene pöyik jong. Pöyik jong. Tibetan jong. Tibetan letter jong. Or language, Tibetan language, John. Pyoik.
But do you use ik only for written and böke for oral? How do you differentiate between written and oral? Ke and ik?
Okay. It's keik. I will say keik is language. So sometimes they take only K, sometimes they take only yik. But it's same.
So when you write bö ik John, it means both written and oral.
That's
And
it.
böke John also both written and oral.
That's it. You say Pyoke, Tibetan language. Pyoik, Tibetan language. Shortcut. Pyoki keik, Tibetan's language. Now, shortcut, Pyoik, Pyoke. Like
So Tensei La Poi Jong is what? Tibetan language?
Study, Jong, study.
Study. Jong is to study, okay.
Learn.
Learn. Okay, it's to learn, to study or to learn.
That's it.
Okay, Poi. Okay, so
Train.
so what if I say that I'm learning, okay, I'm learning Tibetan.
Yeah, we didn't come to that yet. Okay.
Okay, so just learn the word first, okay.
Pyoik Jong.
Poi Jong, right? Jong.
Pyoik Jong. Then tap lock. Lock. Read. Then tap lock. Read book. Tap lock.
Tap lock. Okay. Lock is to read.
Yes. Tap lock. Okay. That's
Read book.
okay. So here I have introduced you here, Kiduk. Okay. Kiduk, we say this when it's present tense, but direct experience. You can write this down. Oh, Teplo Kiduk. Suppose you are looking through Yangshell, binocular. Oh, Teplo Kiduk. Oh, pizza sakidu. Oh, leka chekidu. Oh, very junkidu. Like this. Okay? Now we know when there is an actual verb like lok, tung, sa, che, jong, and you say kiduk, then it's present tense with direct perception. Okay? Teblokidu, kalaksakidu, chu tunkidu, lega chekidu, pyoik jonkidu. That's okay?
And the same formula applied both to na and khong and kherang.
That's it. That's it. So we know that this is kiduk should use when it's you
Present
are
tense.
direct experiencing the action committing. Committing action. Oh, tablokidu. Oh, kalaksakidu. Oh, chang tunkidu, wine tunkidu. Oh, leka chekidu. Like this. Now you have a feeling that when to use kiduk. It's present tense, we know, but it's direct perception, direct experience. Oh, pizza sakidu. Like this. Okay, you can practice this. Practice this. If you see someone eating food, you can say, "Oh, kalak like this. But "oh" is extra. I'm just giving you the feeling. Oh, like this.
What is saki?
Sa. Here, eat.
Oh, okay. Okay. Kalak sakiduk. Okay.
Kalak sakiduk, chu tunkiduk,
Kalak
leka chekiduk,
sakiduk.
büyük jonkiduk, tep lokiduk. Like this.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Yeah. It takes a little time to digest it. Yes.
That's it. So today I will suggest you to just write down all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 verb and try practice kiduk. Okay? Kalak sakiduk, chu tunkiduk, leka chikiduk, pöyik jonkiduk, tep lokiduk. And I have introduced you when to use this. Oh. That's it. How goes it? Okay? That's it. Yabulapsong. Any question?
No. We'll have questions next session.
No, yanala.
We have to digest it first.
Shesa chirona.
La.
Jela shesa chirona also. Yeah.
Shesa.
Shesa chirona.
Shesa honorific chirona labarebe. Laso tigide. Jelagin tata men. Tata labna. Tata labna kompo mangbo labna hakogi mare. Shesa kale labgi. That's it. Agosuma. So I suggest practice this, okay? That's it. So today this much I just introduced. We will do it again in the next class. Agosuma. Olaso. Ani tukje che. Tashi delek. This much today.
Tujiche, tashi
Tujiche.
dile, jela jelyo.
Tujiche, Genla.
Tujiche. That's it.
Good night, Simjananko.
Laso. Olaso. Tujiche. That's it.